Hey guys, and welcome to another Navy Slug. Well, today we're going to go out for a ride with the primary objective of putting another 14 miles on the clock, and then I've got 3,750 miles on a set of Road Pilot 6, and then we're going to have a proper look at them. So here we go. So I think we'll start off with, a quick sprint up the Autobahn, but we'll go in the opposite direction to the one that we normally do. So we'll head towards Munich as opposed towards Frankfurt. Or was it towards Frankfurt and instead of Munich? I can't remember. It's heading towards Frankfurt. So we'll hit the Autobahn, go across that way, and then come in through the back end of where the service station normally is. And then I'll find somewhere to park up, and we'll have a look at 3,750 miles on a set of Road Pilots, and we'll have a look at what they look like now. I've got a photograph of what they looked like when they were brand new, so I'll insert that into the picture, into the video, so you'll see it about here. And then we'll do a comparison of what the tyre's like now, where we'll show a before and an after. So here we go. And we're currently doing about 120 or about 170, 180 kilometers, and it's been raining heavy. The temperature is low, so we're into low single digits, and the tire's behaving beautifully. It's gripping, you accelerate and it throws you forward. So the combination of a K1600 in full song and these tyres are just woo-wee, they're good. And we've now hit, can you believe it or not, our 16 miles. Damn, that was quick. Yeah, I cut a little bit out in the section, so it was only for going on an Autobahn, so we didn't need to see it all. you know what, I'm going to stay this way and go all the way down. I know where we're going to come out by the supermarkets. So greasy roads, total sure-footedness. Now I'm running in rain mode. I don't know why I'm running in rain mode, because it doesn't actually make that much of a difference, but it does mean that it's very, very slightly takes off the urgency of the thrust from the engine, so the jet engine cools down and calms down. So we're able to do a reasonable swing into the roundabout, and then into the back end of Lenting, and then we'll go through the Lenting across the cobbles, because it's always good to do cobbles when they're absolutely wet and slippy, isn't it? And then we'll see just how good the Road Pilot 6 grips. The Road Pilot 4 was faultless, so I'm not expecting any great issues with the Road Pilot 6. In fact, I'm expecting it to be better, and so far the 6 has not let me down. It's been better on everything it's done. It's improved my stopping distances, so I can stop faster and over a shorter distance, and that's always good. I should say stop quicker, not faster, because I'm going fast to stop. Yep. So I'm slowing down and stopping a lot quicker over the distance. As you can see, I don't know whether you can see the road with the there. You can see a film on it. That's the diesel. So we got diesel on the road, and the tyre is 100% sure-footed with diesel. So absolutely no worries. I wish my feet were as I wish my feet were as steady. My foot slipped when I put it down. But we're riding along. We're just about to come onto some cobbles, so we're just going to see what they're like over the cobbles. They're going to be good. I got absolutely no worries about them. And there they are, absolutely perfect. Sam is singing her usual wonderful song. Everything is nice and relaxed, totally chilled, and there's just absolutely nothing to complain about. So what I'm going to do is find, actually going forward is a nice bit of fast road, and then what I'll do is I'll find somewhere, maybe, hopefully, maybe picturesque. I doubt it, because this is Ingolstadt. The wind is up, so you can hear the wind. I'm up at 80 miles an hour, and there's absolutely nothing to complain about. roundabout coming up and a nice bit of sweeping road over that way, so that's the way I'm going. As you can see, there's a bit of standing water, so I'm going to use the whole of the road. So actually I got caught by the wind, so that was me. I hope it's not too buffeting for you, and it's not spoiling the sound of Sam. If I remember right, just round the corner or round the bend, there is somewhere I can pull up, and whoa, that was a gust in there. As I say, now we'll find somewhere to pull up and we'll have a closer look at the tyres at 3,750 miles. So I'm going to have, actually I think I've got to go through the town to get to the parking to lay by. Man, that is a gust. Now, as I always say, there's no such thing as bad weather, there's just inappropriate clothing. And I'm in full appropriate clothing, so everything is good. I'm nice and warm. If it absolutely throws it down, I'm nice and dry. Do you know what? I'm enjoying the ride so much. I'm gonna go the bloody long way round. I promise you, I will pull up and I will do something with these tyres to show you what 3,750 plus miles looks like on a Road Pilot 6. And but I'm actually enjoying it. Oh God, I think I must be sick. I must be one sick puppy, dude. I think we got a hell of a lot of rain coming in. And you know what? I don't give a monkey's uncle. See, even in bad weather, with a bit of bad road and stopping distances are absolutely perfect. I'm going to find somewhere to stop fairly quickly because I'm losing the light, and I want to be able to show you the tyres and get this video up on the web for you tonight, up on the tube. So I'm going to find a parking spot. There's going to be one not far. Now I'm trying to keep the videos educational as well, so I have been talking in the last video about pushing on the handlebar to turn, so I'm going to try and do some tips as we go along, so we keep everything nice and informative. It helps me as well, guys, believe it or not, because in giving tips I suddenly think, oh bugger, I don't do that either. Well, I should be, but I'm not.